Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails inside of Keynote. While some people do use more professional photo editors like Photoshop, you could still use something like Keynote, which is free, to make your thumbnails. Keynote is usually considered as a slides editor, but you could use it for thumbnails if you wanted to. And it's what I've been using while I was trying to make thumbnails. So let's get into it. So right here is where everything is. Right now it's blank. So I'm going to tap the plus sign, go to photo or video. I'm going to go down. So I have a photo in here. Yes, right here. So this is all my photos that I'm going to use as examples, even though I've already created them. So I'm just going to use this first one as a background photo. So that will be my background photo, and just having a white background is kind of boring. So I like to have something like that in the background. So now I'm going to kind of move it around, and that should fit pretty well, but there's still the white stuff, like the white bars at the top and bottom. So we're going to make it bigger, and in the top left you can see your slide right there, so you can kind of see where it's adjusted at. Just make it a little bit bigger so you can't see the white. Oh, there's still white at the bottom. Move that down. There we go. Okay. Next thing we need to do is add another one. So I'm going to go down again. And I'm going to choose the KB Creative Studios one, because that is basically the intro, because this is the how to make intros and outros on iMovie. So this is a thumbnail for that. So, wait, what? Why did that turn black? Okay, so I fixed it. I just had to take a new screenshot of that photo. So yeah, this one shouldn't turn black. That was really weird though. I don't know why it did that. So now we're going to adjust it. We need to get the angle just right, so you can move it around while pinching your fingers. Then we're going to move it to the side. Kind of resize it. Shrink it down. Then we're going to turn it again, just like that. And just move it a little bit. We're going to add in the outro now, the outro photo, which is this one. Shrink that down. Then if you kind of align it with the other photo, you can basically make it the same size that way, which is a pretty easy way to do that. And just turn that too. Kind of adjust it to where you want it. Then you tap presentation, and they're kind of big, so we're gonna shrink it down and move it, because you want to be able to see what it says. So we're gonna move it like that. Now we're gonna add in the iMovie icon, which is right here, and we need to center it, and we don't necessarily want to cover up the camera in the background, otherwise it looks weird. So yeah, that's basically the finished thumbnail for that. And now I'm gonna go on to the next example, which is for the trying to sign into Xbox Live for 5 whole minutes, which I have right here. First thing we're going to do is make this larger so that you can clearly see the box where it says signing into Xbox Live. And again, if you look at the little picture at the top left hand corner, you can see kind of where it's aligned at. See, that looks about good. Now we're going to tap the plus sign and then go to the tab next to the pictures and do text. Then we're going to make that a little bit bigger so we can fit the text inside of that. Going to align it right where we want it, and then zoom in and rotate it a little bit. There, that seems good. Now we're going to rotate the entire picture, make it look pretty nice. There we're going to type in our text. There. Going to highlight it, then go to the paintbrush and that's where we can change the text settings. So we're going to make it bigger. Oh geez, what are you doing? No, stop. Oh geez, it's glitchy. Okay, we're going to make it bigger. I'm going to go all the way up to 50. Then we're going to change the font to, what was it, marker felt. And then go to color and change that to white so it's easier to see. We're gonna zoom in, and rotate it a little bit better because that was kind of extreme last time. So that looks better. So yeah, that's the thumbnail right there. So I think we need to add another period. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this, leave a like and comment if you want me to continue to make these tutorials because they are pretty fun. And I might actually start doing some like gaming videos, even though I'm really not super good at video games at all. But I feel like we could use some variety, and that would be a really kind of fun thing to do. So yeah, see you next time.